And I actually want to walk you through it step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications. That way I can let you know every single time I do a video. Give me a thumbs up because it does help the YouTube algorithm. Now let's jump into this. We initially think, well, Fiverr, that's a place that you go to, sell your services, to do a job. But the thing is, you're selling your services for $5 or $10 or $20, whatever it is. You can't make any real money doing that. What you want to do is you want to make real money, and the way to make real money is invest in assets. So we can actually go to Fiverr and buy assets. We can actually hire somebody on Fiverr to write an article or make a video on promoting maybe an affiliate offer. Maybe we found an affiliate offer that's really good, and we're going to hire somebody else to actually make a video or write a blog or write an article on that particular product. That way we can send some traffic to that product and make us some money. When that article ranks, maybe that can make you $50, or maybe it could make you $500 or $1,000 for that one article. Now these articles don't cost that much. So what I'd like to do is go over to Fiverr right now, kind of check out the people that are there and how much they charge to do some of these articles and some of these things, and let's get going right now. Okay, as you can see, I'm at Fiverr right now, and what I want to do is I want to look in here for people who can do things for me. So let's say I wanted an affiliate video made, so I'm just going to put in affiliate video. Now if we scroll down here, it says here, I will give you a super affiliate system course. We don't want that. They're trying to sell us something. I will do a Twitch video channel promotion to boost. No, we don't want that. Let's see, we got to scroll through. Here it goes. I will create a promotional video for your affiliate offers. Now let's click on this and let's see what this costs. Now I don't know how much your time is worth. I know how much mine is worth. I think it's very, very important. But I know that writing, articles and blogs and doing videos, is not something I want to do on a regular basis. Okay. That takes up way too much of my time. Okay. So I've clicked on this particular one here, and let's see here. It says that they'll do a 30-second high converting video to promote your product or service for $15. I mean, $15. I don't know what your time's worth, but I'm not going to make a video for $15 for anybody. Now they've got other packages down here. Let's click and look at the other packages. $15 gives you a 30-second one, and then what else does it give you here? It gives you one revision. You get 2 revisions at $35, and at $50 the premium you get 3 revisions, and you can get 60 seconds on here. So think about this, guys. I could buy this one video here for $50 and be promoting $1,000 offer or $500 offer. If I get 1 or 2 sales, it's more than paid for. Now what if I did this 5 times and I had 5 different ones? What if I did it 10 times or 100 times? Do you see how buying these services on here of people who could do it a lot quicker, probably a lot better than I can actually make you money if you're just doing affiliate offers? What I'm going to suggest you do is not what most people do, is they make some money online and then they spend it. I'm not going to tell you to do that. I'm going to tell you to make some money online and invest it in the next thing. I know at this point in my life I've made a lot of money online. We've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, but I'm still learning. So I take a portion of my money and I buy courses and I learn things, and I go to meetings when we could leave and it's not a pandemic, and I get around other people and I talk to them. So I would say take a portion of your money and do another video and another video, okay, or another blog and another article. Take the money you make and invest it into more assets instead of just spending it. Don't go out and buy a whole new living room suit or more clothes or whatever. Those things are going to wear out and they don't earn you any money. You need to start taking a portion of your money and putting it in something that's going to earn you money. Right now there's a couple advertising things I want to know about, and I'm probably going to buy a course on that and start learning that, because that's important to me to have that knowledge to be able to do that. And what the funny thing is, a lot of these courses I bought and I've learned how to do things, I now have courses on those things. So once I learn how to do it, then I can actually make a course of my own and sell it, because I've done it. The next thing I'm going to tell you is to do some marketing promotions. Okay. Have people help you with marketing promotions. Now I'm going to tell you most emphatically, do not buy traffic. Okay. Do not buy clicks to your site. Do not buy traffic to your site. Do not buy likes on your YouTube channel. Don't buy subscribe. Don't buy anything like that. It's crazy. Okay. You're not going to make any money. You're going to get ripped off. Those are all bots. it doesn't work. However, there is real marketing promotion. So let's go back over to Fiverr real quick, see if we can find a marketing promotion. Okay, so I'm going to go back up to the top here and I'm going to search product promotion. Okay, product promotion. Let's see here. I will promote and market your e-commerce store to the US. I don't know what that is, but she's got a 4.8. Let's take a look here and see what she does. And it says here 29-day delivery, basic store promotion, and I would have to read all this. $5 seems really cheap, but I will say she's got 640 reviews and 567 are 5 stars, so she's doing something right. And you have to read through here. It says here, I'm going to upsize this, receive tons of traffic to my site. I may have to purchase the higher package for sales, but all in all I will be purchasing again. I want to make sure somebody got this person here did not rate her well. I want to make sure somebody got some real results. Thank you, did a good job. Quality, thanks again. So you know, you got to read through them all, but paying somebody to do some promotions for you can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, and for the little amount of money. And don't try to be cheap. Don't try to do everything for $5. Okay, spend 10, 20, 30, 50, maybe even $100 and get somebody really good. Just check out the ratings before you do that, but buying those promotions can really make you a lot of money. Now I will add something to this. That one person said they hadn't gotten any sales yet, but they were trying to. If you do get real traffic from a promotion from somebody who's legit, somebody on Fiverr like that, and I'm not saying everybody on Fiverr is legit, but I'm saying find somebody that is, look at the reviews, check them out, and if they're legit and they send you a lot of traffic but you don't get any sales, that doesn't mean you've lost out. It doesn't mean you've lost out, because what that's done is it's generated traffic to your site. That looks good for the Google search algorithm. It's going to build your SEO up. It's going to do a lot of things for you in the background that you may benefit from later on in the future. So don't get discouraged if you don't get immediate sales. It's nice to do that. It's nice to get immediate sales, but understand that sometimes promotions bring brand awareness, and maybe a month down the road, you know, 2 months down the road, 6 months down the road, somebody's going to buy from you. So don't think if you don't get immediate sales that it's wasted, because it's not. Now the next thing I think is really pretty cool is to hire people to turn your videos into articles and blogs. Okay, so you could do this. You could hire somebody on there, and I hire people to do different things. I have several people that do different things for us in different capacities. When you hire people to turn your videos into audios or articles or blogs, that's going to help your SEO also. So you have to think of this as an investment. I know a lot of new business owners, they go 2 routes. Okay, the first route is, I don't want to spend any money on anything. I'm going to do every single thing myself, 100% myself, and they find themselves doing data entry and all kinds of other things that would pay minimum wage or less, that they could hire in another country for a whole lot less money, but they want to save their money. They don't want to spend any money. And then on the other end of the spectrum, it's somebody who has a lot of money, and I think this is almost even worse, and they hire people to do everything, okay, and they don't want to do any work themselves. And when you do that, you don't learn anything. You can't manage it because you don't understand it. You can't manage what you don't know. I mean, that's just a fact. You can't manage what you don't know. So somewhere in between is the happy medium. And I think using a site like Fiverr for people to do things for you, videos, blogs, articles, whatever it is, you know, some maintenance on your website, sales pages, if they're good at it, it's going to come back to you. So actually buying these jobs on Fiverr will actually make you money, as crazy as that sounds. And the last thing I'll tell you is know what you're good at. I mean, know what you're good at. You know, certain things I'm really good at, and I know I'm good at those things, and it's probably because I like those things. Usually when I'm doing something I don't like doing and I'm not good at, I get frustrated. Okay, I get really frustrated, and that frustration leads me to not doing a good job. So if you're not good at something, you know, I can edit my videos. I have a video editor. Matter of fact, what's going on there, Billy? He's going to edit this video right here. But the bottom line is he's better at that than me, because I don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it. I don't have the time for it. I know I could spend more time making videos, coming up with ideas, coming up with sales pages, coming up with products, than to just sit there and edit videos all day long. So I hire somebody to do that. Provides an income for somebody else, and you need to share the wealth, guys, and you need to pay these people decent. Don't always try to get the cheapest people, because if you get the cheapest people, you're gonna get the worst people. Okay, bottom line is hire some people, buy some jobs off Fiverr, and you'll end up making money. And you know, $500 a day or a week is nothing when you invest in yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, do so. Hit that subscribe button. I want to hear your comments. Have you hired anybody on Fiverr? Have you done any work on Fiverr? I want to hear your experience with that. Put that in the comments below. I would really appreciate hearing about that. If you're having issues, you're having problems, put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer you. Don't forget to also, oh, that's a bad bell ring. Don't forget to ring the bell and turn on all bell notifications so that I can let you know every time I do one of these videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.